Price information can help set a budget and compare the cost-effectiveness of different centrifuges. Price factors: type, influence. Desktop, floor standing, portable, and specialized centrifuges vary in price. Importance determines the suitability for specific applications. Capacity, influence. Larger capacity centrifuges typically cost more. Importance influences throughput and efficiency. Speed and RCF, influence. Higher speed and RCF values can increase the price. Importance determines separation efficiency. Temperature control, influence. Refrigerated centrifuges with precise temperature control are more expensive. Importance critical for maintaining sample integrity. Brand, influence. Well-known brands often command higher prices. Importance reflects reputation and quality assurance. Price range, entry-level models, starting from around $1,000 to $1,000 to $3,000. Mid-range models, typically priced between $3,000 and $3,000 and $1,000. High-end models can range from $10,000 to $1,000 to $5,000 or more. The price range for centrifuges varies based on type, capacity, speed, temperature control, and brand. Setting a budget and comparing costs can help find a cost-effective option that meets your needs. To learn more about our range of centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding pricing, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.